Mahler Roofing Repair. Services all types of roofing repair in Minneapolis and St. Paul. We have experiences in residential roofing installation and repair. We have experience in commercial buildings roofing and repair. We do flat roofs and we are experts in flat roofing repair. Many companies try to fix flat roofs, but only end up replacing the roof, as finding leaks is not easy. We work in all parts of the Minneapolis and St. Paul metro area. Feel free to call us 651-330-4986. Set up a free estimate. Visit our website for more information. www.mahlerroofingrepair.com